to be, êTRE. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, je suis, you are, tu es, he is, il est, she is, elle est, we are, nous sommes, you are, vous êtes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say they are. They are, ils sont, elles sont. Ils sont, if you're talking about a group of males or a mixed group of males and females. Elles sont, if you're talking about a group of females. They are, ils sont, elles sont. They are, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, so let's review what you already know and apply what you've learned. To be, êTRE. They are, ils sont, elles sont. Pleasant, agréable, funny, drôle, optimistic, optimiste, pessimistic, pessimiste. Notice the S, because these adjectives are agreeing with the plural subjects. So if you want to say they are pleasant, you would say ils sont agréables or elles sont agréables. They are funny. Ils sont drôles. Elles sont drôles. They are optimistic. Ils sont optimistes. Elles sont optimistes. They are pessimistic. Ils sont pessimistes. Elles sont pessimistes. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.